Can biofuels promise energy security without isolating climate change goals? In this era, the fossil fuels occupy a behemoth's share in the sources of energy consumed by the mankind over the globe. These fossil fuels, a type of hydrocarbon, require organic matter, containing cellulose as their source, and take millions of years to complete their formation. The only issue which has been inseparable from fossil fuels is global warming, which has garnered flak from not only the environmentalists, but is also the major cause of concern for all developed and emerging economies. Global warming persists due to the combustion of fossil fuels, hydrocarbons, which release carbon stored inside them in the form of carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide, being a greenhouse gas, traps the sun's incident radiation very effectively in the atmosphere and causes elevated heating of Earth's surface. On the other hand, the energy stored in the organic matter can be renewable as a resource, unlike fossils, on a condition that it can regrow/reform in a relatively shorter period of time. The case in point can be taken as trees, which absorbs carbon dioxide, sunlight and water during photosynthesis and covers it into biomass. Point in case wood. This biomass can be then used as an alternative source to produce energy through the process of burning the fuel, and it can be also converted into a source of energy by thermochemical conversion process, chemical conversion process and biological conversion process. All of these processes will produce carbon dioxide, but if these trees are planted at a rate as same their biomass was consumed, it will ultimately lead to reduction in the release any additional carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and hence it can be termed as carbon neutral. The biomass can be converted into fuels known as biofuels like biodiesel and ethanol, which has the potential to be used in many processes and sectors. These biofuels are not as efficient as the conventional fossil fuels, nevertheless they can always be blended with gasoline to efficiently power vehicles. Based on these traits of being renewable and less harmful to the environment, they are getting substantial attention from the governments around the world. Thus, a lot of companies are also developing interest in the sector, who perceive it as a lucrative sector for the future.